Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to search player on chess.com. Open the chess.com application. Initially, you'll play to the home interface. If you want to search for players, tap on the friends icon that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Now you can see various options over here. You can search for the contacts, you can search for Facebook friends, you can also invite the friends and send the challenge link. If you want to search for the players, tap on the search bar that you can see on the screen. Now you can search by name or username over here. Simply enter the name or username of the player that you would like to search for. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. You can simply tap on the profile of your choice in order to view their profile. So like this, you can search for the players in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.